What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We're here on a new product from LEDs lighting tour blades from Ciro. It's actually for my tour pack. It finally came in. We're gonna do an install video on it. It's really simple. It shouldn't be a big deal. It didn't come with a controller because I already have the blades on the back blades of my bags have the LED strip, so that actually connects into that. So here it is from Ciro, baby. That's what it's gonna look like when I fully install it. It's got the amber in it as well. See, when we put it on, it's gonna go like right here, right on the tour pack. All right, so we're gonna show you how it looks like once I install it. Alrighty, so this is all you get when you order the LED that goes behind the tour pack, behind the backrest. So you get the LED strip, you get a couple of zip ties with the connections, and the one that connects to the controller. All right, let's hook this puppy up. Okay, so what you got to do is you have to actually take out the seat, actually the backrest, and there's a 3M tape behind this. So you have to measure it out and you go right across with it. You know what I mean? Let me focus in a little bit. Go right across with it. See that? And then you can hide these wires in. You could actually zip tie them behind the seat so you won't see any wirings. And this is actually make sure that if you want to keep your tour pack on, this is staying on. Otherwise, you got to disconnect it right from the bottom. All right, so we're gonna put the tour pack backrest back on, and then we'll show you how. All right, so I'm gonna show you what I did. The wire was coming out through here, but I actually had to drill a hole, small little hole, so I can actually pass the wire. And then we're gonna drill another hole back here and put it right through there so it could come out through the other side and then connect to the cables over there. So we're gonna do a small hole, I think through the middle here, and have enough slack so when you open and close the door, you'll have enough slack so you could see, you won't have to stretch the wires. So just give it enough slack. All right, guys, we finished the installation. It was a little rough, but man, it looks good. I'm not gonna be putting an LED down on the tour pack right there. I just wanted to give it like a clean look. You can see it from all the angles. See how it looks from far. Like I said, that's a LED from Ciro. I'll show you how it looks with the blinkers. It also has the amber lights, and perfect because it matches with the other Ciro LEDs that I have on the bags. So that looks pretty cool. Let me know what you think. Comment below. It looks pretty cool. I like the way it came out. Alright, I'm going to show you also how it looks when you hit the brake light. Also wanted to show you, aside from the LEDs I installed, I had a little extra LEDs from the XK Glow, and I just put it in here. Tape it. See? So now I got some light in the tour pack. So that runs with the XK Glow as well. So now I got some lights in the tour pack. Close it up. All right, just before I do the brake light, I just want to show everybody, if you're doing a video on your own and you want to test the back brake lights, check this out. This is how you do it. You get your bungee cords. You don't have to ask nobody. Just do it yourself. So here we go. All you got to do is push it, and here we go. See that? So right now we're testing out the brake lights of the Ciro LED behind the tour pack. I do have a magic strobe connected to the XK Glow, so that's why it's flashing like that. Sorry about that. So like I said, don't mind the string. I'm just pushing it back so you guys can see what it looks like. So With the XK Glow, the lights actually turn all red when you brake, but it will flash. Yes, don't worry about the cops. I don't get pulled over. I don't know. I've been with my LEDs blue and red. I went right through a cop. They don't say anything. So whoever says that you're gonna get pulled over, that's baloney. If you do, oh well. So again, testing out the new LED brake lights from Ciro. All right, let me go on this side a little bit. You guys can see all red. All right, no more braking. So you let that go. All right, so comment down below. Let me know what you think about the new LED from Ciro. See, when you're on the top, you don't see it. It's a very thin LED with 3M. Kind of have to take off the seat and tuck it in. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Peace.